Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the type 3, the particular integral of the type polynomial. So, when we have the polynomial type of equation, to find the particular integral, we need to divide the polynomial with the f of d function. That is, f of d has to be divided with x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 and so on. Before dividing this f of d should be arranged in the form of ascending powers of d, and this as it is, that is in the descending powers of x. So let us illustrate a problem. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus 5y is equal to 25x square plus 12. So the yc part is given by taking the auxiliary equation m square minus 2m plus 5 is equals to 0. So the solution or roots of this equation is m is equals to 1 plus or minus 2i. The yc part will be equals to e to the power of x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is the yc part. Coming to the yp part, as I told you, this has to be increasing order, that is d function. So let us write this way, that is 5 minus 2d plus d square, and the right hand side function, that is 25x square, we are not going to change any order, it will be written in the same format. So in order to get the 25x square, what needs to be multiplied here, that is 5 times of x square has to be multiplied for 5. So it will be 25x square, and 5 times of x square when you are differentiating, it will be 10, that is actually 10x into 2, it will be 20x, that is with the minus 20x, and 2 times of differentiation of x square will be 2 into 5 will be 10. So we get as 10. As usual, we do the subtraction by changing the sign. So when we subtract, here we will not get anything, and we get the first x power, that is 20x, and 12 minus 10, that is plus 2, we get it. Now in order to get the 20x, what needs to be multiplied for 5, that is plus 4x has to be multiplied. When we multiply 4x, we get 4 into 5, that is 20x, minus derivative of x is 1, so it will be minus 8. And d square times of 4x will be 0, because second derivative of x will not be there. Now again we will subtract it. We get the answer as 10. Only 10 will remain. Now to get the 10, what has to be done? We need to multiply 2. 2 into 5 will be 10. That gives you 0. So our particular integral, that is yp, is given by 5x square plus 4x plus 2. So the solution consists of yc plus yp, that is yc is e to the power of x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus 5x square plus 4x plus 2. This completes the solution. Similarly, let us do another problem. D cube minus 3d minus 2 y is equal to x square, whose auxiliary equation gives m cube minus 3m minus 2 is equals to 0, whose roots will be m is equals to minus 1, 2, or minus 1. So we know the solution, that is yc is given by c1 plus c2x into e to the power of minus x plus C3 e to the power of 2x. Now when we divide this, it has to be arranged in the ascending powers as I told you. Minus 2 minus 3d plus d cube is divided with x square. In order to get the x square, let us multiply with x square, but since we don't want the minus sign, so let us multiply to make it, and 2 is also not required, so we have to divide it. So x square by 2, when we are multiplying with minus 2, we get what is exactly required, that is x square. And when it is differentiated with respect to x, minus 3d times of minus x square by 2. So we get minus 3d, and minus into minus it will be plus. Derivative of x square will be 2x, that is 3 times of 2x divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancels, we get plus 3x. And since we will not get this another one because the d cube times of x square will be 0. Let us subtract it, we get minus of 3x. Now to get the minus of 3x, let us multiply this with plus 3x. Since 2 is not required, let us divide this with 2. So 3x by 2, that is minus 2 multiplied with 3x by 2, if we do, we get the answer as minus 3x. And when we are multiplying this with 3d, that is minus 3 times of derivative of 3x by 2, if we do, the derivative of x is 1, so we are getting minus 9 divided by 2. That is minus 9 divided by 2. When we subtract, this will be 0, and plus 9 by 2 we get it. In order to get 9 by 2, we need to multiply with minus 9 by 4. So it will be 9 by 2. Then we get the answer as 0. So our yp is given by yp is equal to minus x square by 2 plus 3x by 2 minus 9 by 4. So this is the yp part. And when we add both yc and yp, we get the solution. What was our yc? Yc is given by c1 plus c2x into e to the power of minus x plus c3 e to the power of 2x plus the yp part is given by minus x square by 2 plus 3x by 2 minus 9 by 4. This gives the complete solution. Thank you.